Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tyler from Diesel Power Products here. We've got Sterling from H&S in the house. Thanks for coming out, Sterling. We really appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Today we are talking about H&S's fuel bowls for the Duramax and the 6.7 Powerstroke. Sterling, tell me about these things.
Yeah. So this one here is for the 6.7 Powerstroke. It fits the 11 to 16 model. This is going to get rid of your very problematic plastic fuel bowl. This one here is for the L5P. Same thing. They've got a really unreliable plastic fuel cap for those. So these are going to be a good replacement for both of those pickup trucks. Add a bit of reliability to them and know that you're not going to get stuck on the side of the road with a cracked fuel cap.
Awesome. And what is the, I mean, we get this question a lot on social media, but warranty. What's the warranty like on these things?
Lifetime warranty on these.
Awesome.
We really feel like we produce the best products out there, so we're going to stand behind them with a lifetime warranty.
Awesome. And guys, you know, we can't stress enough that some of these components underneath the hoods of these trucks, they're not very reliable. They're made out of brittle plastic. They don't last very long. And, you know, in this case, in the Powerstroke, we've seen fires that are caused by these things. So, you know, this is absolutely something you need for your truck. Lifetime warranty, H&S quality. You guys have been around for 13 years, right? So if you guys are looking for one of these for your truck, make sure to hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. You absolutely need one of these for your trucks. Thank you, Sterling, for coming out. We really appreciate it.
Yes, sir.